Welcome to 2212 Normandy View in the master plan community of Travisso. Stunning hill country views, its own custom swimming pool, built by Dries. Let's go inside and take a look. This house is 4,779 square feet. It's 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, and each room has its own full bathroom. And wait till you see the custom kitchen in this home. Let's go inside and take a look. As you walk in, the first thing you notice is the beautiful custom lighting fixtures throughout this home. And to your left is a nice office or study. And to your right, as you walk in the house, is our first guest bedroom. Very spacious guest bedroom, plenty of room for a king-size bed and couch with its own full bathroom. Beautiful marble-like tile floor throughout the entire first floor. As you walk into the living room, custom chandeliers, 25-foot vaulted ceilings. Imagine relaxing at the nice evening with your family here, enjoying the beautiful views of Travisso. As we enter the kitchen, you have a nice extended quartz island 10 feet wide. We have a Wolf stove with 6 gas burners and your own pancake griddle right here. Microwave, 2 Thermador ovens, and a Sub-Zero refrigerator. Imagine entertaining in this kitchen. This kitchen is magnificent. Now, one unique thing about this home design is the butler's kitchen right here has its own space with sink for maids to prepare meals. So this could be your wet kitchen as well as your pantry. Now let's go take a look at the master bedroom. You have your washroom over here to the left. Here is our master bathroom, his and hers sink, the beautiful stonework in the bathroom, and the custom tile behind your 5-foot garden tub, with an addition of a walk-in shower in this bathroom. Beautiful tile accents throughout. This entire bathroom is like a work of art. Really beautiful. Now we have our walk-in closet here. Next is the master bedroom. Beautiful 10-foot ceilings in this master bedroom, lots of space. Both the master bedroom and the living room connects to an extended covered patio and a custom swimming pool. Let's go take a look. Now, when you walk out here to this backyard, the views are literally something like out of an Italian painting. It is breathtaking hill country views in the rolling hill country of Leander, Texas. Swimming pool with a hot tub. Let's go explore the backyard a little bit. The owner of this home loved cooking and gardening, so they did custom landscaping in the backyard to make a little food forest here. We have fresh herbs on both sides. We have about 4 fig trees right here. And this custom garden connects to a beautiful pool overlooking the beautiful hill country of Travisso. Imagine waking up in the morning and having a nice fresh dip in your swimming pool or a soak in the hot tub while looking at the rolling hills of Travisso every day. Welcome to the back patio of this beautiful Dries home. Imagine entertaining out here in the evenings with beautiful sunsets. And over here is an option to build your own custom kitchen. There is a gas line and water line right here. So if you wanted to add an additional custom kitchen, you could right here. So now let's take a look at the guest bedroom. This is guest bedroom number 2 in the house right here. It also could substitute as an office with its own beautiful views out the window and its own full bathroom. Now let's go take a look upstairs. Upstairs, we have a media room, another guest bedroom, and a game room with a 2nd-story balcony. Here we have our media room on the 2nd floor. And as you walk upstairs, immediately to your left is the 3rd guest bedroom. Bathroom adjacent to the guest bedroom. And then we have a nice game room and entertainment space right here on the 2nd floor with a balcony overlooking the living room, highlighting the beautiful custom chandeliers and these vaulted ceilings. And now let's go take a look at the 2nd floor balcony. The views from the 2nd floor are even more breathtaking than the 1st floor. Thank you for watching this home tour of this custom Dries home in Travisso in Leander, Texas. If you're looking for a home just like this one, click the link tree below for a no obligation consultation call with the Austin City Brothers, and we look forward to hearing from you.